So, all right, nothing will come between Flowerboy and Grace. We don't see the issue does start. Flowerboy, you said reason well. You see what you put your mother into yesterday. But notwithstanding, you Grace, 3 years of relationship, not the child play, and this is the right time for you to get things right. Please look at the love on air between Flowerboy and Grace. I mean, I don't let this thing just go like that. I mean, I don't let this love just go. Thank God for the both maturity of those both of you, and at the same time, ma, please recover fast, wherever you are, and I wish you speed recovery. Nobody will eat the fruit of your labor. You will sit down, witness your daughter and that of your son. Although Grace has become your daughter, according to Flowerboy mommy, see the moment when Flowerboy and his beautiful wife to be, they were on air, sharing this good moment, and no one will come in between you people in Jesus' name. Please. So, mommy Flowerboy, wherever you are, I wish you speed recovery from what happened yesterday. Jesus love you, and I will love you from here as well. Flowerboy, be careful, I love you as well. Be a good boy. Don't put your mom into such stress again. Then Ella, pack and go, Ella, pack and go, pack and go.
Like your beers are coming up. Bravo. They should come on time. No, you kiss me. Kiss me. Your camera.
Please.